Hi everyone, I wanted to let you know about the opportunity that is going on right now. Do you see this beautiful display? Right now, you have the opportunity to give Princess House a try and get everything that's displayed right here. What do you think about that? So, with Princess House, our kit, as you can see, starts with our 4-in-1 immersion blender. You can do so much because you can grind up your nuts, do your salsa, mash up your potatoes, make homemade mayonnaise, whipping cream, make your shakes. Comes with that. It comes with our small produce saver where you can save your vegetables and your fruit for an extra week. It comes with our 5-inch Santico knife, German steel, lifetime warranty. It comes with our healthy portion spatula. It measures out 3 ounces. It also comes with our 2 quarts pH pantry storage container. All right, you can put everything in there, and then it has a spout here where you can pour it out. Our kit also comes with our 5-ply stainless steel 2.5 quart casserole. Healthy cooking in our stainless steel, no butters or oils needed. Then you can also get our 10-inch skillet. This is our pH cook solution skillet. This whole kit, plus the rolly tote bag, plus all the paper supplies that you will need, can be yours for $199 plus tax. It retails for over $600. Typically, you can join for $75 down. The kit would be sent to you. Your website is free, and everything would be all set up. But right now, you can actually join today for only $30. You can sign up and get going with your back office. When you reach 750 or more in personal sales, then they will send you out your starter kit with all of these amazing products. But not only that, when you have 750 in sales, they will also send you our 5-in-1 awesome chopper. I love our chopper. You can chop up your potatoes, your strawberries, your mushrooms, your onions. This will be an extra gift from Princess House when you have 750 in sales. But why not join with a friend? Because it is Princess House's 60th anniversary. You put $30 down, they put $30 down, equals $60 to celebrate our 60th anniversary. And then you actually earn an extra gift from Princess House. Plus, it is early enough that you can actually earn a trip to Disney World. Yes, at Disney World. It will be 2 nights that you get to choose, 2 places, either Disney World or Universal, and then 1 special day that you will be able to go to. Oh my goodness, I can't even think of the name now. They're shutting down. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't think of the other place. They're shutting down another place, and it's all going to be Princess House people. So now is the time to give Princess House a try, and why not join our Believers team? Cost you $30. You'll get your website up and running. The kit will be sent to you when you have 750 in sales. Or why not just join now, $75, and the kit gets sent out to you immediately. So let me know. It is so much fun. You can have home parties. You can do them online, collect catalog shows, be a collector consultant. There is so much more than just doing home parties nowadays. So lucky me that I'm able to do this. And I'm actually at a vendor event today and having a great time. It's busy, it's hopping. So have a great day, and I will talk to you later. And remember that I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic day. Bye.